Are you ready to present?
Yes, totally ready now.
Is this your first time?
No, I present often.
Is the screen working?
Yes, works perfectly.
Can I see the charts?
Yes, look right here.
What does this chart show?
Our sales this year.
Are sales going up?
Yes, growing every month.
By how much exactly?
About 20% growth.
Is that good news?
Yes, very good news.
What about last year?
Last year was lower.
Why was it lower?
Market was very slow.
Is market better now?
Yes, much better now.
What caused the growth?
New product launched successfully.
Is the product popular?
Yes, very popular product.
Who buys it most?
Young adults buy most.
Is that surprising?
Yes, very surprising result.
What is next slide?
Our future plan slide.
Can you explain it?
Yes, of course.
What are your goals?
Grow by 50%.
Is that realistic?
Yes, very achievable goal.
How will you achieve it?
New markets and partnerships.
Which markets are targeted?
Asia and Europe mainly.
Is Europe a big market?
Yes, very big market.
When does expansion start?
Starting next quarter, actually.
Do you need more staff?
Yes, hiring 20 people.
Is budget approved already?
Yes, fully approved budget.
Who approved the budget?
Our CEO approved it.
Is CEO happy with plan?
Yes, very happy indeed.
Any risks in the plan?
Yes, some market risks.
How will you manage risks?
with careful monthly monitoring.
Is monitoring already in place?
Yes, system is ready.
Can I ask more questions?
Yes, please ask freely.
Is the data up to date?
Yes, updated this morning.
Where does data come from?
From our sales system.
Is system reliable?
Yes, very reliable system.
Can I get a copy?
Yes, I will send.
When will you send it?
This afternoon by email.
Is presentation almost done?
Yes, 2 slides left.
Can we finish quickly?
Yes, just 5 minutes.
Is there a summary slide?
Yes, last slide, please.
Can you highlight key points?
Yes, 3 main points.
What is point number 1?
Sales grew 20%.
What is point number 2?
New markets being targeted.
What is point number 3?
Budget is fully approved.
Are those the main points?
Yes, that is everything.
Was presentation clear enough?
Yes, very clear indeed.
Did I explain well?
Yes, excellent explanation today.
Thank you for presenting.
Thank you for listening.